just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. Yeah. Just want you to one left. This right here, this is my favorite. Fabuloso antibacterial. The smell is delicious. And I think this is the only one they got. Oh no, they got some more down here. I'll grab 2 of these. You see this price? Come on now. Y'all supposed to be the Dollar Tree, not the $1.50 tree. Love these. And those. They're good. Alright. So we're gonna do a little Dollar General haul. Not Dollar General, Dollar Tree haul. It was a lot going on in there, so I hope y'all was able to hear something. But I got these dental floss. I got 2 different brands just to see what the difference is. Oh, this one got a tongue scraper, and it's for tight teeth. And this is a smooth, gentle floss. All right. And I picked up this facial mask. My skin is really sensitive, but I'm gonna try it. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all have ever tried Dollar General's facial stuff. And for the girlies that got sensitive skin, y'all tell me what y'all like, if you liked it or not. Got me some extra toothbrushes. Another thing of my travel soap. I ain't feel like going to Dollar General, which is further away, so I just picked these up from Dollar Tree. And then some more hand soap I'm gonna put in my bathroom. And I think I told y'all this in the store. This Fabuloso antibacterial, this one right here is one of my favorites. I love the smell, and it's antibacterial. So this is like Lysol and Fabuloso put together. So yeah, this one right here is one of my favorites. So I bought 2 of them. I've tried to look on Amazon to see if I could get the bigger one, but I can't seem to find it. And I don't see these in the stores either, at like Walmart and Target. I know Target ain't gonna have it because they too she. But I'm surprised Target don't have this scent. But this is lavender. Y'all should try this one out. This one right here is my favorite. So, but yeah, that's it. That's everything I got. And all this was $15. Y'all see the prices? $15.50. I mean, $1.50. Come here, baby. Hey, be my baby. Hey, be my baby. Come here, baby. Put your hands on my body. Hands on my body. Right there. Keep it right there. I love it when you put it right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Me like the way that you hold my body. Me like the way that you touch my body. Me like the way that you kiss my. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me like it. Me like the way that he put it on me. Me like the way that he push up on me. Me like the way that he go down, 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 down. Never gonna let no girl take him from me. Never gonna let no girl steal him from me. Never gonna let a girl get that close now. I tell her, hey, babe, you're too close now. Come here, baby, hey, be my baby, hey, be my baby. Oh, oh, oh. this is a mirror that I got from Home Goods yesterday. So we're gonna put this up today. Right here over in this space. At first I thought I wanted to put pictures here, but I don't really think that's gonna be a move. So this mirror right here is what I got from Home Goods. And we about to put it up. So with Nora interior, 35 inches. This was a perfect size, actually, to go right here in this space. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. What we're looking like. I like it. I finally got the mirror up. Yeah, that's what this space looking like. I'm gonna change the rest of this now that I got something to put right here. It makes sense now. But yeah, I like it. I got this mirror. I'm out of breath, y'all, because this mirror, woo, was something. Yeah, finally got the mirror up. Wipe it off.